Now presenting an over 3-month-old video I filmed that's practically expired but conveniently explains why I'm not in school and disappeared for like 4 straight period cycles in enough time for like 3 major YouTubers to get canceled. A super generic get ready with me. 9 to 5 corporate capitalistic exploitation edition! Yay.
Sup, it's Sydney. And if you're wondering why I'm standing so far away, it's because I look like shit. But I mean, like, that's kind of the whole point of this video. I'm gonna take this to like a 5, maybe. The title isn't clickbait. I'm literally not in school this semester. Well, actually I'm taking 3 credits because I didn't know how to like unenroll because I plan to re-enroll later and I didn't want to like lose my progress. The short reason for me taking this semester off and doing something else is because I realized that I was ahead on credits and that Zoom University sucks, and I just didn't really want to do it right this second because I had already been through like 1.5 semesters of it, and I felt like I was just throwing my money at college and not getting the same return. And so why would I do that when I could take a co-op, which is basically like a longer internship, and make money? That's logic, right?
Here in Duckburg.
Okay, fuck, I actually need to get ready. First, vision would be nice, which honestly not really, because I'm kind of sick of seeing the world. There's a hair in it. Teeth look flawless. Eyes can see now. Makeup time. Macchio? What is it with like the reflexive verbs? Why the fuck am I trying to do this? I don't know Spanish anymore. I never knew Spanish. I've got my crusty dusty makeup bag that I've had since like 7th grade and my crusty dusty face that basically looks the same since I was 7th grade. And while I do my makeup, I am just gonna talk about some like probably frequently asked questions that you guys have because I'm like all for college and now I'm just not in it temporarily. I probably should specify again that this is temporary. This is only for the semester. I am going to return in the fall and in the spring, and that's actually my senior year, and I'm ahead enough on credits that I should be able to graduate then. Should. Like I said, I am doing a co-op, which for those of you that don't know, a co-op is pretty similar to an internship where you work at a company full-time for a shorter amount of time than normal, but a co-op is like 6 months, so it's a semester plus part of a summer, as opposed to an internship, which is usually just a little bit out of your summer. It's a supply chain co-op because for those of you that don't know, that's my major, and if you don't know what supply chain is, me either, sis. It's really confusing. It's kind of like the logistical part of business. I guess it involves a lot of different areas, which is why it's so hard to explain. It's not like marketing where it's like, oh, we're advertising for a product or something. Supply chain is more along the lines of, okay, let's look at the suppliers and get this product produced at the lowest possible cost so that we can make the highest margin, and let's optimize that. But then also it's the transportation from getting that product from the plant to the distribution center to eventually the customer or the store or wherever they buy it. And in addition to, yeah, literally no one cares. You didn't come here to get educated today. And neither did I, because I'm not even in college right now. Overall, I think I made a good decision for my future because, you know, I'm getting really good experience that I can apply at a job after college, and also today is payday, so I'm really excited. You know, I do like the job so far. It's like kind of really complicated and my brain is dying from trying to process everything, but quite frankly, I'm in it for the money, so I'm fine with that. Okay, now that that looks a little bit better, let's fix this. The co-op is actually like a very chill business casual because everyone's been at home, so like no one really cares to get full-on dressed, you know what I mean? So a lot of people have just been wearing sweatshirts and stuff, which you can totally get away with, but today is payday, so I need to look cute to get that coin. This is the fit that I will be wearing at my first truly professional environment and setting up the rest of my career with. Yep. It's fully virtual. These people can only see me from here up. Why would I put pants on? Dun dun dun. I have work in like 20 minutes. Ask me for help on your homework in school. I probably don't know how to do it. Ask me how to do literally anything at work so far besides logging my hours and getting paid. I don't know how to do it. But ask me to do the entire Rasputin 2-minute dance from memory, I got you. Honestly, I think I was put on this earth to kick everyone's ass in Just Dance. You know how people defend their Mario Kart skills like so intensely, and then they say in Just Dance that like every move they do, they just get okay even though they're going all out? No, bitch. I get perfects. This is like the only thing that I feel comfortable bragging about. I'm not saying that I'm a good dancer. I'm just saying that I know how to finesse that video game and win. I recognize that I'm being super cocky and annoying right now, but like just let me have my moment, because I go to work every day from 9 to 5, and by every day I mean for the past 2 weeks, so really not that many days. I'm still in training, so someone is either presenting information on SAP, which is like this ordering software that's German that we use that's super confusing, or they're on call with me, like walking me through how to do different things, and I think I'm the dumbest person there because I feel like everyone else at work has already progressed further, and here I am like, so please let me have my moment. We all have our strengths. Some people's are for actual helpful things, like the literal job that I have to go to in 15 minutes, and other people's are a video game from the early 2000s. I know I'm gonna get better at the job, and literally I have a really like big desk is what they call it. So at the company that I work for, which I'm probably not gonna say just for like privacy reasons, and I don't really know if they want to be represented in this light, but it's a really big company that sells like paper products, like toilet paper and stuff, so the supply chain right now is struggling because y'all keep hoarding it. The company that I work for then has a lot of customers, which are other businesses that sell toilet paper and the other products they have. And so each of their customers they call managing a desk. So eventually, within the next couple weeks, I will fully take over managing a desk and ordering for all of the stores for this one customer across the US. And I'm kind of stressed about it. For the foreseeable future, I'm gonna have kind of a rough time. I am grateful that I can take the semester off, graduate on time, save some money, and make some money. But at the same time, it is very stressful because I'm in an entirely new environment. Like I've never just not really been in school, and my body is not adjusting well. If any of y'all work a 9 to 5 or have done a co-op in the past, drop your tips below. A girl is suffering. I literally have work in 5 minutes, so we're just gonna... Okay, everything is fine. Where's my headset? I have to work now. That's where I've been. Work. 40 plus hours a week of work, 12 plus hours a week of extracurriculars, and a stupid ass art class. Add them all together, and what do you get? A one-way ticket to burnout, baby. This is a cry for help. I broke my sunglasses, so these are just ones I got for free. They say Tito's on them. Not sponsored, although I could use it. Luckily, it's finals week, and no, I will never say that again, but finals week for me this semester means that all of my extracurriculars that I do at school and my art class are ending. So although I will still have the 40 plus hours a week co-op life until the end of June, that other stuff will all be gone. So hopefully my life will get slightly better. I'm not gonna make any false promises and say that I'm gonna post weekly because I already did that this year. What I am gonna say is that I will be uploading more consistently. My goal, not a guarantee, is 3 times a month. I mean, the bar is already so low it's in hell. So how much harder could it get? If you're somehow still watching, thank you. Because I know the number watching is definitely fewer than last time because
1, YouTube algorithm. Kind of screwed myself on that one. And 2, half of you thought I was dead, which, no. If you want to make sure I'm breathing, I would recommend subscribing if you aren't already, and following me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I love y'all. Thank you so much. You don't know how much it means to me that you're still here, and see ya soon. Like, actually soon this time.